Today I'm showing how I make the Thai version of the seafood salad. It is sour, spicy, and complements the squid and prawn so well. You will want extras. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 250 grams of prawns, cleaned, deveined, and deshelled, 180 grams of frozen squid pre-cut and thawed, 100 grams of minced pork optional, half tablespoon of salt, 80 grams of red onions sliced, 2 tablespoons of roasted peanut, 3 tablespoons of lime juice, half tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, some chili flakes from red bird eye chilies to adjust to your spicy enjoyment levels, 30 grams of spring onions cut into 1.5 inch in length, 60 grams of parsley, 190 grams of tomatoes cut to wedges, and 5 tablespoons of Thai Nam Tan Khiaw or coconut syrup sauce for Thai salad. The full list of ingredients and the recipe for coconut syrup sauce is in the see more link. First, marinate the pork with 1/3 of the salt. Rub to mix it evenly. Set aside. Marinate the squid flowers with 1/3 of the salt. Rub evenly. Set it aside. Repeat with the prawns with the rest of the salt. Rub until evenly marinated. And set aside. In a pot of hot boiling water over medium heat, add all the prawns, stirring until fully submerged. Let them boil for 1.5 minutes or until just cook. Then, remove from the heat with the strainer. Give it a little shake to remove the excess water and set aside. Next, repeat with the squid. Cook it for 2.5 to 3 minutes for tender squid, stirring occasionally. Then, remove with the strainer. Shake to remove the excess water and set aside with the prawns. Next, put the strainer in the boiling water and place the minced meat in the strainer. With a spoon, gently toss and stir the minced meat in the strainer. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes or until fully cooked and gray. This prevents the small pieces of minced meat from getting lost in the pan of water. After 4 minutes, the minced meat is cooked. Remove from the pan. Switch off the heat and set aside. Now we can mix the Thai seafood salad. Put 1 tablespoon of chili flake into a large mixing bowl. If less spicy is preferred, put only 1 teaspoon. All of the fish sauce, minced garlic, all the lime juice, and 5 tablespoons of coconut syrup sauce. Stir until all the ingredients are well mixed. Give it a taste. It should be spicy, sour, and slightly salty and faintly sweet. This is not enough saltiness, so I am adding half tablespoon of fish sauce. Mix until well combined. And give it another taste. Yep, this is perfect. Add all the prawns, squid, minced pork, red onions, tomatoes, spring onions, and parsley. Mix until all the ingredients are well distributed and coated with the sauce. It already looks so good. Add some peanuts and continue mixing. Let's give it a taste. Super delicious. So fresh and so tasty. Spicy as well. Dish the Thai seafood salad onto a serving plate. Top it with some of the sauce and garnish with some peanuts. Let's eat! Spicy, sour, and super fresh. This is what heaven tastes like. A perfect balance of the vegetable with seafood and sauce. I recommend enjoying the fresh taste and delicious Thai seafood salad immediately once it's done, with some rice or on its own. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!